Look, 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 look how crispy this is.
This right here is my favorite thing ever.
Yo, these are air fryer Brussels sprouts. So you're gonna wanna grab your pen and paper because you're gonna wanna take notes on how easy it is to make this dish. Of course it could be a vegetable side, but for me, this is my snack. This replaces chips. It's keto, it's a low carb, it's anti-inflammatory. Let's go. Well, hey gang, if you're new to our channel, my name is Shelly. I'm a registered dietitian. I run the KLA Kitchen, the Keto Low Carb and Anti-Inflammatory Kitchen. In this channel, I give awesome recipes, tips, and strategies for living the KLA lifestyle. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click subscribe. And I am insanely excited, as if you can't tell, about our air fryer Brussels sprout chips. Y'all know my obsession with the air fryer. I mean, I have a ton of videos. You can click here, scroll in the description box. You'll find a ton. But this is a really fun recipe, a great way we can get our, vegetables in. I want you to zoom on in and come to me so you can see our ingredients. It's only 3, that's right, just 3. And it is our Brussels sprouts. Now, I got this. This is our Kroger brand. Y'all know me by now. I'm not bougie. I'm from the Bayou. I don't live the bougie lifestyle. Most bougie thing I use is the Redmond real salt. We have about a teaspoon of that. We have a tablespoon of our olive oil. Remember, we're cooking at a lower temperature, so we'll be okay. And of course, we have our air fryer. Now, very important, we're gonna give these Brussels sprouts a wash. We're gonna cut them super thin. You'll see in a sec. Be right back. We are taking our Brussels sprouts, some of us call it a mini cabbage, and we're cutting off what I like to call the stem. And you know what, it may not be called the stem, fight me, if it's called something scientific, let me know. I'm not gonna get angry, I just call it the stem. And then we're gonna peel it. The peeling, or the leaves, is gonna be the basis of our chip. And then we're gonna kind of save what's remaining, or what I like to call the mini cabbage, for later. This is a crazy easy recipe you could do in the air fryer, and I really love it because I miss crunch. You all know by now I'm gluten-free. This is a lifestyle that I adopted because I could not get rid of my baby weight, had a whole bunch of hormone issues, and I'm super happy I did this route, but man, do I miss crunch, and this helps give us a wonderful crunch. Now that we're done with that, it is time to add our, I know y'all saw that, olive oil, and then, whoops, I had a little leaf fall in here. We're gonna add our Redmond sea salt. I cannot talk right now, but remember gang, I always tell folks I give you the base of a recipe. You can, be right back, I gotta get my spatula. You can add the spice that you love. A lot of folks will add to this Parm cheese. I just am, kind of a plain Jane girl when it comes to chips and when it comes to flavoring my vegetables, because I really want the flavor of that vegetable to kind of come out for me. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in our air fryer. This is a short cook recipe. We're at 350 degrees. We're about 8 minutes, but we're gonna check it at 4 minutes. Give it a little toss, cook it for 3 to 4 more minutes, and we're gonna have a crispy surprise. I just took these out of the air fryer. They are absolutely delicious. They have that green, they have that kind of cooked part, and me personally, I am someone who likes that little kind of burnt feel. I know that's a little weird, except on my steak. Let's get that clear. This is so awesome. This is great, again, for a weeknight meal, but again, for me, I like to have it as a snack. We just throw it in our air fryer. Of course, you can add your Parm cheese, you can add all that fun stuff. I want you to scroll in the description box below so you can get the directions. Of course, you can also download our Keto Low Carb and Anti-Inflammatory menu. It'll go straight to your inbox, and because you watched this video, you are gonna wanna watch these videos right here, which shows you some more yummy recipes in the air fryer. Gang, I am Shelly. Mwah! Love you bunches.